Hello there, I'm Eric with Iowa Tiny House Adventures. Welcome to another adventure. So I was trying to get the auger attachment so I could do a couple holes for the post for the electrical pedestal, and come to find out this little fitting here goes onto a thread, metal thread. This is just a cap, but the hose has smaller thread that doesn't fit on there, so I can't screw the hydraulic hose on there. So I've been to 6 places around town today, and none of them had anything that would work. So now I have to go to a town like 18 miles away and to Tompkins Industries, and that's what they specialize in, is hydraulic fittings. So hopefully, and they closed at 4, so I can't make it there today, but that's what we're doing. We're trying to get the holes dug so we can put the electrical pedestal in, and pretty much got most of the thing trenched out where they're going to put the frost footings, and then the walls for the crawl space, and then the tiny house will stick over 6 foot this way, so we'll have to fill that in, pack it down, and then put gravel on it so it's at the right height. The crawl space is going to end up being about this high right here, so we're having fun. I burgered up my knee, so I can't do a bunch of this work, so now I'm having to hire that done. I've already had to push back when the shed's being delivered. We're gonna finish out into the tiny house. I've had to push it back. So, and down there we got to fill in a bunch of dirt down there, because that end's way lower than this end. So, fill in a bunch of dirt there, and it's gonna be extended over 6 foot that way too. But that's where we're at. We're having fun. So, if you can't tell, I'm limping. I do have the garden tilled up. I did that a couple weeks ago now. We gotta get out of here and actually plant seeds. And I'm just looking in that, just where I'm looking, there's a bunch of glass and some metal and stuff. Like I said, this used to be a salvage yard, junkyard. So there's all kinds of that stuff. We'll be picking that up forever. But we'll get that, and then I'll have to put some nitrogen and probably phosphoric acid on that, so crops will grow good. My youngest son was actually out here today with a buddy of his, and they were looking down where we're going to put food plots for deer, like way down there, and then over on the other side of those trees there'll be another one over in there, and maybe even a third in between those two. So a lot of plans, but everything takes time, and I don't have a lot of time because I'm hobbled, and it's going to end up where I got to have my knees replaced. So I'm going to have people help me finish out the tiny house, because I'm not going to be able to do it. Unfortunately, I burgered my knee up, like I said. So just doing little shorts now on Iowa Tiny House Adventures. Hope you all enjoy these shorts and me explaining what's going on. That tiller works good on that. That works really good. Did a good job. Hopefully the drilling and then digging the trench over to that pole not quite that pole, would be on this side of the road though. That pole's actually on the other side of the road. So, but we gotta dig a trench, put electric and conduit, and then over there, there'll be a trench from there back over to the crawl space for the water to go in. So, but that's where we're at, folks. We're getting a few things accomplished. We've been way behind because, like I said, I burgered my knee up, and I'm just getting to where I can walk. I still walk with a limp, especially later on in the day. And you know, I haven't done a heck of a lot yet today, but just walking into a store and out of a store looking for the right fittings, and my knees are killing me. So, all right. I hope y'all stay tuned for more Iowa Tiny House Adventures. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.